Hi guys, I'm Heather. Welcome to 40s Faced. I am a mom, a wife. I am 42 for a few more weeks. I work, I craft, and every Friday I bring something cosmetics, skincare, beauty related to you. Thank you for being here. This week, what's in? What's out? Who cares? Seriously, do you follow trends? There's some trends I care about. There's others I couldn't care less about. I just found my new style and what I like. What do you like? Your hair, your face, you choose. I choose filter free, but I wear makeup. I choose to no longer bleach my hair, but I'm still styling it. I choose to do yoga most days, but not every day. I choose to look this way. What really matters is who we are. Be a good person. Try to do good deeds. If you see something, say something. And if you can do something to make somebody else smile, go for it. Are you bright and wild, colorful, fun? Are you muted and neutral, natural? I really enjoy what I'm wearing right now. This has been what I've come to like seeing when I look in the mirror. And that's kind of what all this is all about. Once we feel good about ourselves, it's easier to be our best selves. I want to share my take with you on the celebrity block party that's happening. Anybody that you follow that makes you feel bad about yourself, unfollow and block. Any product that you don't like, go to their page, and if you are not following them, you can still block them. This goes for if you just don't like the brand, if you don't like something they stand for, if you don't like something they've done. This goes for people, this goes for corporations, this goes for all of it. I have gone to pages for companies and people that are not in line with me and made sure I, first of all, was not following them. And second, I blocked them. And my feed is getting a lot better. I am not on Twitter. It is too toxic. I am on Instagram. I am here on YouTube. And I dabble in TikTok. I'm focusing on following things that improve my self-worth. I'm focusing on following people that make me feel uplifted. I'm focusing on positivity as it's helped me get through some really difficult times. When I started my channel, I was at the lowest point, and I've been here consistent almost 2 years, building step by step, learning, growing, changing. Some of you have come along all this way. Some of you are new, and I am so thankful for each and every one of you. Whatever makes you happy, I hope you do it. This makes me happy, so I do it. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share each week, to learn, to grow. I am closing in on 2,000 subscribers. I just couldn't be more thankful and grateful. Leave your comments, your opinions, share. It's obviously in the news, and so I just want to say I stand for Cassie because I've been Cassie. It was a long time ago in another relationship. If someone you love is going through it, do not leave them behind. I raised my babies to know that is not how you treat people, and that is not how you let people treat you. She was worth more, and now she has more. I was worth more, and now I have more. And you are worth it too. All of this is about accentuating what we have, not covering or hiding or masking. There's something so beautiful about each of us, and I really truly believe it. No matter what you're feeling, all of this is because it makes me feel good about myself, and I deserve that. So whatever it is that makes you feel good about yourself, you deserve that. No matter what they say, it's what matters to us that matters. Not trends, not popularity, not celebrities. If pink and blue eyeshadow brings me joy, it doesn't matter if it bothers anybody else. It's not hurting anybody. So whatever you like to do, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Beauty, clothes, hair. It's up to you, not what a hashtag is telling you or a terrible significant other deems of you. I mean it. You're worth it. I'm worth it. We are worth it. I hope I am worth you liking this video, leaving me those comments, subscribe with the bell on. I bring this content on Fridays, but Sunday mornings we go live. We craft, we chat. I try to bring shorts all week long. Thank you for your support. I look forward to each week getting together and sitting down and putting this together and making it happen. Thank you.